LNZA stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only person in the stock trading space that's done over 43,000 videos over 5 years, and I've documented them all. You can check them all out on my YouTube channel. How LNZA is looking like, man, is just, it's pumping. It's very solid pumping. But when I zoom out, I just kind of get depressed. I'm not even lying, like, this is such a bearish market, man. Like, it's crazy. Yeah, you can do it. Like, I'm ready to see like some crazy pumps, but the reality is that if I start seeing double breaks beneath this low, I'm taking the crap out of it lower. Like, genuinely. So that's how LNZA is looking like. Guess what? If rules are not met, then I'm not gonna buy. Like, I'm not gonna sell though. Like, that's why I'm waiting. And unless there's a big catalyst or some proper greenery, then I'm not gonna be buying. And I'll keep you updated. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.